Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video where I'll be showing you guys how to use the strategy to potentially turn $100 into $10,000. Now bear in mind this strategy was developed by ChatGPT, so we are going to try it out ourselves to see if it works or not, if it's worth our time. So let's get started. There's two indicators, which is the MACD and the RSI basically. So as you already know, in order to find a buy signal, you have to wait for a crossover on your RSI and a crossover on your MACD, right? Right here. So I'm gonna go back a little bit and test it out to see if it really works. All right, let's go back a little bit. We're gonna start from here. Let's start from here. All right, cool. So the goal is to find a crossover between these two indicators. All right. Actually, this has to go. Let me just see. Line. This has to go. All right, cool. So, so in order to find a buy, we need our MACD to turn a green. We need our MACD to turn a pink color after this red, and we need a crossover from our stochastic. So we've got a crossover there, as you can see, and price turned pink. That was a clear indication to buy. If you bought there, you would have made some nice profits. So moving on, let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. As you can see, price right here. Price gave us a nice signal as well. We had our MACD was oversold. Well, our RSI was oversold, and you can see that it crossed over. Then we have a pink. As you can see here, right here, we have a pink, and that was a losing trade. All right, let's keep going. See, we have another signal right here. Just take the trade. That was a winning trade. That was a nice 1 to 2. Let's keep going. As you can see, this is not valid. This is not valid. This is not valid because this stochastic was not oversold. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. As you can see, this stochastic is oversold and we've turned pink right here. All right. Now I'm going to make something very clear. All right. During these hours, I'm sure you're wondering why I didn't take a trade somewhere here. During these hours, this is during the night. All right. This is during the night, and therefore there's very low momentum, and you don't want to find yourself trading in these hours because there'll be loads of false signals. All right. So try to trade during the day when there's actually momentum in the market, and you'll be profitable that way. All right, cool. So there was a signal here. Cool. Took the signal. That was a nice signal. You want to target the highs as such. We eventually hit that take profit there. Cool. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is during the night as well. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Keep going. Haven't found anything yet. Nothing with potential. Nothing with potential. Still yet nothing with potential. Nothing with potential. Yep, it's still a nighttime. So you can see there wasn't, and you can see we finally have a signal right here. We have a signal right here that was given. You can see target the highs right there. That was a nice signal, 1 to 3. You can see it was given recently, and yeah, man, make sure to take advantage of these strategies. Yeah, man, tell me what you think of this strategy, if it's worth it or not. But in my regard, it is worth it. It wins most of the time, and that's exactly what you need. And yeah, man, let me know how the strategy works for you. Comment below if you if you're using it. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys in the next video.